Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best final revival of Opal and Nev is probably one of the most anticipated and talked about releases in the gaming world, promising a unique blend of narrative depth and engaging gameplay that sets it apart from its predecessors and competitors alike. This title aims to push the boundaries of interactive storytelling, offering players a chance to immerse themselves in a world brimming with mystery, complex characters, and impactful choices that will shape their journey and the fate of the characters they encounter. With its stunning visuals and a compelling soundtrack, it's poised to deliver an unforgettable experience for both longtime fans and newcomers to the series. Number 5. Razorblade Tears, a novel. Dive into a world where love and loss intertwine. This novel explores the depths of human emotion and the consequences of our choices. Meet characters who will stay with you long after you turn the last page. Their journeys are filled with passion, heartbreak, and resilience. Experience a story that will keep you on the edge of your seat. The narrative unfolds with suspense and emotional intensity, drawing you into its world. This book delves into complex themes that will make you think. It examines the intricacies of relationships and the search for meaning in life. Discover your next favorite read with this compelling novel. It's a powerful story that resonates with readers on a profound level. What we like. This novel delves deep into complex relationships and societal issues. If you appreciate stories that explore the human condition with nuance and emotional resonance, this is for you. It's perfect for readers seeking a narrative that lingers long after the last page. What people say. The story is a beautiful and poignant exploration of grief, love, and the enduring power of connection. The acting is superb, with the lead actors delivering nuanced and deeply moving performances. The film's cinematography is stunning, capturing the beauty of the Australian landscape and adding a rich visual layer to the narrative. Number 4. Mary Jane, a novel. Step into a world of intrigue and passion. This captivating novel will transport you to another time and place. Follow the journey of a woman who defies expectations. Her strength and determination will inspire you. Meet the unforgettable characters who populate this rich narrative. Their lives and loves will stay with you long after you finish reading. Experience a story that transcends generations. It's a tale of love, loss, and the enduring power of the human spirit. Don't miss out on this literary masterpiece. Pick up your copy of Mary Jane, a novel today and get lost in its pages. What we like. Experience a story that mirrors contemporary life with compelling characters and a captivating storyline. If you're looking for a read that feels current and offers a fresh perspective on modern challenges, this book is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who enjoy character-driven narratives with a touch of realism. What people say. The final revival of Opal and Nev is a compelling and thought-provoking play that explores themes of identity, art, and legacy. The script is sharp, witty, and emotionally resonant, offering a powerful commentary on the complexities of fame and the creative process. The performances are outstanding, bringing depth and nuance to the characters and their intertwined stories. Number 3. InSinkErator STS-OOSN Air Switch Kit. Introducing the InSinkErator Air Switch Kit, a convenient solution for your garbage disposal. It offers a sleek, modern alternative to traditional wall switches. This kit features a versatile dual-outlet design, perfect for powering your food waste disposer and another undersink appliance. Enjoy seamless integration with all InSinkErator models. Elevate your kitchen's aesthetic with its stylish satin nickel finish. This push-button switch adds an elegant touch, especially ideal for kitchen islands. Installation is a breeze with this easy DIY-friendly air switch. It fits standard sink holes and comes with all necessary mounting hardware for a quick setup. Rest assured with its UL-listed power module, ensuring safety and reliability. This disposal switch is built to meet high standards for your peace of mind. Your purchase is protected by a 1-year over-the-counter replacement warranty from InSinkErator. Experience quality and support with this essential kitchen accessory. What we like. Upgrade your kitchen sink with effortless disposal activation and the option to power a second appliance. If you desire a cleaner countertop and a more streamlined workflow, this accessory is a game-changer. It's perfect for those who value both functionality and a sleek aesthetic in their kitchen design. What people say. Installation is trivial. Pop out the plug in your spare counter hole and install the button, screw the main unit to the cabinet side under your sink, connect the air line from the button to the unit, plug the unit into the wall, plug the disposal to the unit, done. This is simpler to do than replacing a faucet. The switch is interesting, it's actually a little air pump, and the line is a hose that connects down to the under-counter unit. This means there is no electricity up where you might be splashing water, nice safety feature. Push once and the disposal turns on, push again and it turns off. Works with my disposal and had no issue installing. The button part seems like the chrome will eventually peel, but it looks nice enough if you have chrome or white finish kitchen. Es muy funcional para poner el triturador en la isla, trae 2 botones, cromo y blanco, abajo de la isla queda el conector doble para cualquier otra cosa que necesites conector, lo único difícil en la instalación es enroscar la contra porque topa con los paneles de base y hay que rebajarlo un poco más para poderlo enroscar. Number 2. Gskyer 70mm AZ Mount Astronomical Refracting Telescope. Embark on an incredible journey through the night sky. This telescope is designed to bring the wonders of the universe closer to you. Experience breathtaking images with its superior optics and fully coated glass lens. It's perfect for observing celestial bodies like the stars and moon. Discover detailed views with its interchangeable eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens that triples magnification. Locating objects is made simple with the included finder scope. Easily capture amazing celestial images and share your discoveries with the included smartphone adapter and wireless remote. Explore the world through its screen. Take your explorations anywhere with its adjustable tripod and convenient carry bag. It's designed for easy travel and storage. This telescope is your perfect companion for stargazing adventures. Buy with confidence from a trusted manufacturer. What we like. Explore the cosmos with impressive optical clarity and capture stunning images of the night sky. If you're an aspiring astronomer or a curious beginner looking for an accessible yet powerful tool, this telescope is your gateway. It's ideal for those who want to easily observe celestial bodies and share their discoveries. What people say. The clarity honestly surprised me because you can really see the moon and stars with solid detail. The image quality is very clear and sharp, especially while observing the moon and stars. It feels sturdy, well made, and not like one of those toys that breaks after a week. Number 1. Cyberpunk Rogue Hooded Cowl Scarf. Step into the future with this versatile hooded cowl scarf. Designed for the modern adventurer, it offers both style and function. Embrace the cutting-edge techwear aesthetic. This piece is perfect for adding a unique, futuristic edge to any outfit. Featuring an adjustable strap and buckle, you can customize the fit for maximum comfort and security. It stays in place no matter what. This neck gaiter is designed for everyone. Wear it as a scarf, a hood, or a face covering, the possibilities are endless. Elevate your cosplay game or stand out in a crowd. This accessory is your key to a distinctive, cyberpunk-inspired look. What we like. Make a bold fashion statement with this distinctive hooded cowl scarf. If you're drawn to techwear aesthetics or seeking a unique accessory to elevate your look, this is the perfect piece. It's ideal for cosplayers, fashion-forward individuals, or anyone wanting to add an edgy flair to their outfit. What people say. The revival of Opal and Nev is a stunning production. The performances are captivating, bringing the complex characters to life with nuance and power. The play's exploration of ambition, identity, and the entertainment industry is both timely and thought-provoking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.